Hello guys, welcome back to episode 4 of the tutorial. And in this one I'm actually gonna be adding some screens that say like text that says you win. And so first thing I like to do is we're gonna go to our script, the mob spawn script, and you're gonna type in right here local game status equals, and then right above that we're gonna type in local values equals, and we are gonna go ahead inside of replicated storage. We are going to add a folder called values, and here we are gonna type in game.replicated storage, and here we're gonna add in a string value. If this is the one I need, yes, it's the one I need, and you're gonna name this game status. Now we're messing around with replicated storage. And what we're gonna do, you are going to put values here, and in game status you're gonna put values, and then you want to find first child, but in this case I want to use wait for child game status. And then if we go to our you win page, you are going to notice that the wait 5 here, I want to put it to 0.1, and instead of print I want to make local win text equals, and we're gonna remove those parentheses, and I also want to print it, so now print win text, so that's much cleaner. And now we're gonna access the game status, so it's gonna be game status dot value equals win text, and you'll understand why. And right after the first end we're gonna put wait 5, so it waits 5 seconds before spawning another wave because we changed this one. And now actually you are gonna make, so our health GUI, you can see I removed it because I made a new one. I instead of health UI, I called it main UI, and you see there's a frame, and inside there's a label called health, which is basically the text label we used for the health, the same script. And then you're gonna, and I named it health, and you're gonna notice game status. It's the same, I duplicated it but changed the script a bit, so it's local game status equals game.replicated storage dot values 5% game status, and then it's gonna change the text to the game status. And then if you play the game, there is going to be, well, basically you're gonna win. So if I go ahead and play here, the game status is nothing, as you can see. It doesn't say anything. So we're gonna head back to our mob spawn script, and over here where there's the wait 1 right above the print wave has finished spawning, above that we want to put game status dot value equals currently playing. And we also kind of want to add something there, so it's gonna be game status and then the win text. We're not gonna change the win text, but we're gonna change the game status here, since instead of just plain game status, it's gonna be game status and then dot dot game status dot value. And we're gonna add a space here, and we're gonna put column and space. And now, if you press play, you are going to notice the game status currently playing, because we in the print I forgot how to say it. Well, basically in the script, if you go here, it's gonna already say status in the game status value. So we're gonna go here and we're gonna remove this game space column space, and now it's gonna be game space status column space. If we did it correctly, no, it's game column. I forgot to remove that column. So we're gonna go ahead inside the script. There's already a column here. So we're gonna go to the game status, and we're gonna remove this column, and that's space. So now it's only game space. This is gonna be status space. So we're gonna head inside the script, and we're gonna put status space. And now if you press play, we are going to see game status currently playing. Now I'm actually just gonna win this game right now, so I can go ahead and show you the game when you beat it. So in the output it's gonna say, so there in the output it says wave this spawning. You can go ahead and reload. I'm gonna wait for wave 4 to there you go. And it's not spawning anymore, and we got this error down here. Then fire zombie.parent equals, well, we're pretty much spamming it. So we can, instead of this, I'm just gonna put workspace, wait for child mobs, so it can, or we can do this better. But instead of this, we can go folder, but we can wait 2 seconds and it should work well. So now wave 1 finish spawning. Oops, no, take that zombie down. Okay. Wave 2 finish spawning, take him out. And then wave 3. There we go. Wave 4, the fire zombie should. Okay. The parent property, let's see if it's not in mobs. There is nothing in here, so it's talking about the script. The parent property of fire zombie is locked. So if we go inside server storage, mobs, fire zombie. I've never really dealt with this problem ever. I can go just plain workspace. Yes, I want to save the changes. I can go plain workspace. I mean, game status currently playing. Well, I mean, this only happened when we when I added those lines, so it should be with something I wrote inside. So the parent probably fire zombie 4 underscore 4 is locked. So we might as well just remove this. Oh wait, there already is a fire zombie. So if we remove this, since there already is a fire zombie, so it's trying to spawn it once again. Oh, okay. So it's trying to spawn it once again at the same time while it's trying to spawn the first one, and at the end it just results with a null problem, because basically the first one's already spawned and it's spawned inside the folder, and then the second one tries to spawn, and so he just teleports him back, that it tries to tell him, but it just caused a problem later on. So let's see. There we go. There we go. That's how you fix that right there. It's wave 5 now. Let's see if we encounter any more bugs. So the game status is still the same. No zombies reached the base yet. Well, I mean mobs. Whoops. Okay. Okay, so they've all failed at reaching the base because of my trusty gun over here. If I continue like this, and I beat the game with this still being alive, with the base still being alive, it's gonna change the game status actually, and you'll see what I mean by that. So there's the fire zombie, the fast zombie. Oh, they're coming in hot. They're coming in hot. Oh wow, and I'm gonna destroy that one. There's the ghost 9. Okay, we're in the we're right before the final wave. So I should probably back up a bit before the horde comes in. Let's see that magical zombie that I missed yesterday. Oh, and now it says game you won, complete levels 10 out of 10, and we want that to say completed waves, because that's literally what it is. It's wave game. It's a wave game, so completed waves. And now there's the game, and so we're just gonna put in you can put in status and then the you won, so if you win again it should work. And yeah, now what we're going to do is we are going to go to asset manager and places, and we are going to add new place, and this one we are going to call it zombie game, and this one we're going to just call, first of all I want to see if I can make that place the main place. So places, let me rename this one slightly different, a zombie place. So then I can identify which one is which. So if I go back to places, okay, zombie place, I'm gonna configure place maybe. Okay, no, so this is what we're going to do. We're gonna call this zombie game, or no, we're just gonna call this game, and we are going to copy all of this into the game. So we're gonna take all that is in here and we're going to put it in there, and that's gonna be the game. But first I want to make a small change. Oh, the screen's bothering me right now. I wanna add a weight 5 lobby for game status the value. Okay, now all I need to do is remove everything from here. I'm gonna bam, bam. We can keep that. Bam, 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 and bam. So now we're gonna work on the lobby. So what we're gonna do, first things first, you're going to have to add a part. Over here. And I'm gonna scale it like this. And I'm gonna make it neon. Right there. And I'm gonna make it, how about neon neon orange. That's good. And I'm going to add a script inside and a number value inside. We are going to call the number value game ID. I think you know where I'm going. It's a teleporter to go to the actual game. So inside the script, we're going to, so this is pretty long. So local replicated storage equals game. Oops. That's game. Game get service replicated storage local teleport service equals game get service teleport service, and later on I'm gonna put local players equals game get service players. Now I'm gonna type in local that's print. Local teleport parts equals script.parent local target place ID equals script wait for child game ID dot value local teleport event. And we are going to go inside of replicated storage and we're going to add a remote event. And we're going to call this teleport event. And back to our script, we are going to put equals replicated storage, wait for child, teleport event. Oh, I put it in replicated first, sorry. Replicated storage, teleport event. Then we're gonna type in local function on touch part, and then parentheses, and then we're gonna type in part. And then we're gonna type in local player equals players get player from character part dot parent. Then we're gonna type if player then teleport event, sorry, fire client player true, then teleport service teleports, I think. I don't know if I said that right, but basically Tara gets place ID, comma, curly brackets, player. Then in line 23 we're gonna type in teleport parts dot touched connect on touch parts. We're gonna remove those parentheses, and then we're gonna do, so I added a item ID, an item in the marketplace they can go ahead and grab. It's in my toolbox, my models, and basically it's teleport GUI. There's two scripts, and there's this script right here. I'm gonna set that into the star GUI, and then this script right here for smooth rotation, and I'm gonna go ahead and save this, and I will make a small lobby. And now if you play the game, nothing's gonna happen because, well, there is nothing in the game ID, as I said. So you're gonna go into zombie into game, and you're going to copy ID to clipboard, and you're going to game ID, and you're gonna paste it inside. So now if you play it, you're going to get errors because it's gonna say you can't teleport inside of Roblox, so you're gonna have to play it inside of Roblox. But I guarantee you that if you did everything well, it's gonna work. And so we have just a few things to add to this game, but I hope you all enjoyed this, and I will see you next time.